I found a fabulous park full of peppercorn trees. Let's take a look.
Hello, hello.
Have a look at this fabulous park full of peppercorn trees. It's absolutely spectacular. They're a beautiful spreading weeping tree, almost the look of a weeping willow, but they're evergreen. But the fabulous thing about peppercorns is that they're kind of an Australian classic. I remember when I was a kid, you'd go to the old Aussie pub and out the front you'd park your car underneath the peppercorn tree. And your peppercorn always had that big thick trunk, a few suckers up coming up the base, and a beautiful cool dark green spreading shade. And they take heat, they take drought, they take frost, they take everything. They're really, really tough and they're beautiful. Come and take a look at the trunks of a peppercorn. Peppercorns are not just cool and shady, but they've got character. Have a look at these beautiful trunks and branches, low branches, and little green suckers up and down the base. They're a real character tree. Now, if you've got a large space and you want a tree, an evergreen tree that fills that space and gives off real character and charm, peppercorns are the ones to have a look at. To plant a beautiful shade or feature tree for your grandchildren, this is the tree. A tree like this will be 50 or 60 years old and it'll be here in another 50 or 60 years. Come drought, come whatever. It is one of the toughest, longest living and most character-filled trees.
Hello, hello.